Once your wallet is filled with cryptocurrency, you're ready to use it as a medium of exchange for goods and services. From online marketplaces to your local coffee shop, more and more vendors are welcoming crypto. On the surface, making a purchase with cryptocurrency is simple and straightforward. Scan the QR code, enter the purchase amount, and hit send. But it is important to know what's going on behind the scenes during that transaction. When you make a purchase, you'll most likely be using a hot wallet. Hot wallets can be installed on desktop or laptop computers, tablets, or cell phones, and most of the time, they're free. To begin the transaction, you must first select the agreed-upon cryptocurrency. Next, you'll either scan a QR code or copy and paste the merchant's public address into the Send To field. Notice, you'll be using the merchant's public address, which is generated from their public key. The merchant's public address is a shorter, more user-friendly version of their public key. This public address also serves as an extra layer of security. Rarely will you see a case where a merchant offers their public key. In any event, all you need to do is scan or copy and paste what the merchant gives you. When you enter the purchase amount, make sure that you have enough crypto in your wallet to cover the purchase as well as a transaction fee. The amount of the transaction fee will depend on which cryptocurrency you'll be using. You may also have the option to speed up the transaction time in exchange for a higher transaction fee. If everything looks correct, you'll hit send to execute the transaction. At this point, the merchant will see transaction information, such as the amount of crypto sent, a transaction ID, and your public address, but they won't see your private key. Next, the transaction must be validated by the network. Validation can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. Once the merchant is paid, you should receive a receipt indicating that the purchase is complete. Note, once a transaction is made, the transaction is irreversible. When dealing with cryptocurrencies, it's crucial to exercise caution and prioritize security to protect your digital assets. One essential practice is to always double-check addresses before making a transaction. Due to the irreversible nature of cryptocurrency transactions, sending funds to the wrong address can result in permanent loss. To enhance security and ensure accuracy, some people prefer conducting a test transaction by sending a small amount of cryptocurrency first. This step is particularly useful when transferring large sums, as it verifies that the address is correct. Employing security measures for your digital wallets and accounts is vital. This includes using strong, complex passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. These security layers significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access. The procedure for receiving cryptocurrency mirrors the steps of sending it, except in this scenario, you are the payee. Once the transaction is complete, the transferred crypto will appear in your wallet under the corresponding asset type. Sometimes you'll act as both sender and receiver. One example is when you wish to transfer crypto from an exchange to your personal wallet. Another example is when you need to move assets between two of your own wallets. As the world gradually embraces digital transformation, consumers will likely find it easier and more convenient to use digital currencies for a wide range of purchases far into the future.